Okay, before I show the winner, I'm going to go over a few things. All links are down below in the description. For the Knitcrate yarn that I'm about to show for the winner, you can come here, and if you sign up under me, you can put in the promo code JEWEL20 and get 20% off your first month. You get 2 skeins of yarn, a booklet of patterns for $24.99. You can go right here to Amy's crochetpatterns.com. And you can go on patterns, you can pick anything on here: doily, washcloth, miscellaneous, coasters, booties, baby items, scarf, flowers, afghans, hat patterns. We'll go to afghans, just click close. Click right on the picture, it'll take you right to the pattern. Most of all my patterns are free. Then Facebook, I have a page and a group if you like to join. I had to start all over. My site was hacked a while ago, so if you just want to join. And on Amazon, I have Crochet Hats for Beginners, Kindle Paperback Audio, same for Crochet Hat for Beginners here as well. If you go to Amy Creative Creations, I have products for sale, 53 products, digital, gift tags, calendars, some vintage patterns. This is a placemat, and then 4 printables for crochet, some cards, calendars. This pattern I made, this is vintage, and some more vintage, and some more like gift card or gift tags, and some more vintage, and then I have some ponchos. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Okay, so the winner is Teresa K. Congratulations. Please contact me with your email so I can send this out to you. So send me your address and I will send it as soon as I can. Thank you everybody for subscribing and participating, and look out for more videos to come. Thank you.